Rise and shine, all I and I's. How are all the eyes doing out here on this beautiful, lovely day? This is ElSea Jahzen in Egypt Dawn, back with another therapeutic video. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know how you're striving to a therapeutic life. And we're back with another Vital food video. As you can see, we got probably about like 4 different types of beans. Black beans, kidney beans, pinto beans, red beans. And we are making plant-based chili. Plant-based chili. This is full of iron, full of protein, full of minerals for our vessel. Full of minerals for our vessel meal that we're cooking today. So let's just cook these beans all the way down. And then I'm going to tell y'all what else is going to go in our plant-based chili today. We washed our beans and we have our beans on high. It's best if you soak your beans overnight so it won't take that long to cook. But if you don't soak your beans overnight, you could just go ahead and put your beans on high. Just make sure you watch it. You got to keep putting water in there because the water will go out. Alright, so the beans are halfway done. Now see, and these are all the seasons I put in there. So chili powder, onion powder, garlic, Italian seasoning, paprika, sea salt. Now we're about to make our chickpea cornbread. I've done this several times on our channel. All I do is grind up my chickpeas. These are not cooked. We're going to make flour out of chickpeas. And then for our meat substitution, it's going to be our walnuts and mushrooms. So we have mushrooms, walnuts. We're going to put it in our food processor. We're also going to add a tomato in there. I already added some onions in here. So I'll probably chop up like half an onion with our walnut meat mixture. We're going to food process the walnuts and the mushrooms and going to saute it on the stove. And then for our cornbread, it's going to be chickpea cornbread. So let's get into it. We're going to grind up our chickpeas, make flour, and then I'm going to show you how I do it. Alright, so halfway done, we're going to put some onions and tomatoes in. Gonna mix that all in there. We're also going to put pieces of garlic in there. So I'm gonna chop up some garlic and put it in there. Even though I put garlic powder in there already. The more garlic, the better. The antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial. That looking good. Alright. So now we're ready for our meat substitution. Alright, so rinsed off mushrooms, walnut meat, tomatoes, and onions. We're going to put it in our food processor. Process it up. Then we're going to saute it until it look like a ground meat texture. So we grinded up our meat substitution. Alright, y'all. So now this is how it should look. Now when you brown it, it's going to be looking like ground meat, ground beef, or whatever type meat substitution. Alright, so this is our meat substitution. Now we're going to put that on the stove, saute it up till it's brown. We're going to put our seasonings in there, and then after that we're going to dump it into our beans, and then we're going to make our chickpea cornbread. I put the seasonings on there: paprika, chili powder, turmeric, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, you know, all of the things. Now we're waiting for everything to get brown. We're browning everything. So y'all, I put a little bit of olive oil on there, but you can put grapeseed oil, avocado oil. So what we're gonna do is wait till it start getting brown on that side, and then we're going to flip it just like how you would regular ground beef. So while that is browning, let's grab our blender so we can blend up our chickpea flour. And then we're going to go ahead and put that in the oven. Dried chickpea flour, the dried chickpea. Alright, now this is chickpea flour. Now we jar it up. So we're going to be putting some water in it. You can add a little bit of honey for the sweetness if you want to. I added a little bit of salt. But if you want sweet cornbread, you can add a little bit of honey. We're going to put a little bit more water in there. See how smooth it's getting? Now, our meat mixture is getting brown. As y'all can see, it's getting brown, so I'm keeping an eye on it. I put it on low. Alright, now let's pour honey in there. Just a little bit of honey. A little honey, a little salt, and that's it. That's all you need. It comes out just like you're doing cake batter, pancake batters, etc. You can do that with chickpea flour. Alright, y'all, see how it's brown? I did add some bell peppers in there and a little bit of the cabbage mixture that I had from our stuffed mushrooms. Y'all go check out that video if y'all haven't already. My stuffed mushrooms, I added that mixture in here with it, with the walnuts. So yeah, so now that this is like a ground beef type of texture, we're going to add it to our beans. I'm going to add this to our beans. Just like that. A little at a time, because I might use this other mixture for something else later. And it's like that. See, just stir it in. Don't look too appeasing, but that's how chili be looking, y'all. Except they've been having real meat in there. Put some more on top of it. Alright. We left that a little bit for some tacos later on. I don't know, something. We just left that a little bit. Alright. Now let's plate up everything. This is our cornbread. This is our chickpea cornbread. It's ready. Alright, let's go put 2 in there. Alright, so we're plating our plate. If you want to garnish it with a little bit of parsley, you can. And use a little bit more green on there. This will go good with some spinach at the bottom of it. We're gonna dig now. Just add some gratitude. I know this don't look really like appeasing, but y'all know how chili be looking. Alright, y'all know I have to garnish it with a little red crushed pepper and some Italian seasoning. Yeah, that's good. Now let's try chickpea cornbread. Is it even done in the middle? That bread is hot. Ooh. Yes, it's hot. Don't be trying to eat that bread. Because it's even hot for me. There you go. We cooked them. Yeah, so the bread came out good. And chickpea bread came out good. Alright, y'all. Good thanks and gratitude for y'all tuning in. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know how you are striving to a therapeutic life. Peace.